Welcome to an episode of I'm Forcing My Family to Garden. This right here is my AMERLIFE garden bed. My grandmother told my mother that she actually wanted to garden, and she wanted to garden last year. Well, nobody told me, but she said that she was gonna like reach out to me so that way she can get her own garden. Well, she didn't. And so now we're gonna surprise her with her very own garden bed. This is the AMERLIFE garden bed. It is literally 30 inches tall. It is 2 feet wide. So it's really like the perfect height, like hip height for me, which is the perfect height for someone that's older and so they don't have to like bend over so much. Hopefully she actually likes it. I guess that's the big question. Will she like it or will she tell me to take it back? We're gonna find out. So thanks to my husband already building the garden bed, now the next thing we had to do was literally just get it off to her. So after getting it out the house and loading it up in the truck, next stop was off to Home Depot to pick up some plants. And child, I don't know why, but I had this thing in like warp speed. So my whole like shop with me did not come through. All right, so I kind of went a little crazy, but I got pretty much everything we need. I got like 10 of the Miracle-Gros because I wasn't sure how much we're gonna fill up, but I didn't get 2 of the raised bed mixes so we can put those on top and they can be light and fluffy. I found another blueberry tree, and then I also found a lemon tree here, and then we just got some other stuff like tomatoes. I did get her some herbs, some lettuce, spinach, and I tried to get some cold stuff too. So she got onions, kale, and then some peppers. Not too much, but enough that she can still do whatever she wants in there too. Oh, and of course, marigolds. So after getting back to the house, we quickly got back to work. So I wanted to go ahead and put like some weed barrier fabric down, just a little bit. I mean, this is a cedar bed, but just to make sure that it's going to last as long as possible. So we put down the weed barrier fabric. I did do a double layer just so we can make sure that it lasts as long as possible. I won't lie, I don't have much experience with cedar beds, like wood beds. I know they break down eventually, but I don't know exactly how long it'll last. I'm more using metal raised beds. So they had $2 Miracle-Gro, and I figured this would be a great for like a base. So we used the Miracle-Gro down at the bottom, and then on the top layers, I was able to use like the Miracle-Gro raised bed mix. In the midst of all of this, we were caught.
Did you talk to him?
Yeah. You plant
Oh, that's smart.
all that little stuff. I have some herbs. What I do with them? Put them in a little small pot. You put them in here. They sitting on the deck, on the side.
I didn't know if you wanted me to take those. I was going to.
Look, you here?
What?
I
She
didn't know
said
if you wanted
she
me to
didn't
take
know
them,
if you
but I was
wanted
going
her to take them, but she was going to anyway.
Oh, the ones that was on the side?
The herb.
Yeah, I had just bought them yesterday.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, and I
That
just
way
left
when
them
you
on the
cooking,
porch.
You just come on out here and get it.
Yeah. I'm right here just talking and I ain't getting no hugging.
How you doing? I'm dirty.
I'm sorry.
Your
You ain't dirty like
Your
that.
granddaughter made me get dirty. I told her you ain't bring no gloves.
I got gloves in the house. But I wasn't, y'all was
You wasn't
bugging,
home.
huh? Yeah, I got gloves in the house.
I'm not using no stinking gloves. I tell you, the best part about this is how tickled pink she was about it. And that's just like the most satisfying part of all of this. So while she ran off to go get all of her herbs, we went ahead and just kept planting everything out. At this point, we were getting to the point where we realized we had a little bit too many marigolds and not enough vegetables. I feel like I have a big problem with this. I am horrible at like space planning. Like I will load in a bunch of vegetables and then be like, oh yeah, I still gotta add some flowers too. Now I do plan to come back, and I want to give you guys an updated tour of hers because she sent me a picture and she was super excited about how much has grown. But I do plan on going back and stapling that weed barrier fabric to the bed so that way it won't keep flopping on her. But yeah, like this install went by so fast. I think in like 2 hours we were in and we were out.
Tasha.
Hey, Grandma.
Now, how much sun do this thing need?
Well, out here, it look like you're gonna get like all day sun, right?
Well, it comes on. Basically, yeah. I guess in the morning it comes up And it gets up, yeah.
Oh, you have it all day. That's
Okay,
good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This is so nice, Tasha.
Thank you.
I had wanted one. I never thought I would get one.
Mama said that last year you was like, I'm gonna get Tasha to help me.
I
with the
did
garden.
say that. I meant to call my granddaughter and find out how did she do it. What I have to do to get one? Because I wanted something up. I didn't want nothing that I have to bend down. You know. Because I had that thing over there. I want them to clear that thing out and so.
Oh, that was your garden before?
Yeah, that's where I had right there. But the reason
yeah, that's a lot on your back.
it's a lot, and not only that, the trees, the tree what you call roots are all under the ground.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And so you're digging and you hitting roots, you know.
Yeah.
And then next thing you know, you see the trees and grew up in that place. So I said I wanted to cut it down.
Got good ones too. Cilantro. The only one you might struggle with is this, because it doesn't cilantro.
Oh, that's cilantro?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the parsley? I never get that.
I don't know.
No, it's parsley.
Okay.
Because they don't like when it get real hot.
Oh.
Your basil will love the heat.
Uh-huh.
We'll put the basil near your tomatoes. We have 3 tomatoes here.
Okay.
So you got 1 big one, and then 2 is like the little cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
And then I got you, like, these are 2 pepper plants.
Oh, I love that.
These ones are just you got spinach and you got some romaine lettuce right here.
Ooh.
And then I also got you some onions we'll sprinkle out throughout here.
Okay, okay.
And then
That with onions. How about that? Huh?
I have no clue, actually.
Huh? Say
I
what?
have no clue. So we got that, and then the only other thing I gotta put in is I got you cabbage and kale.
Okay.
And then you're good.
Beautiful. And I'm letting you decide wherever. And if what I bought don't fit, I can put it in a flower pot.
They're definitely gonna fit, because this is the best one that we're gonna put right on the edge. I love having rosemary on the edge of it.
Okay.
And then, like I said, your basils.
You got a lot of things. Like a tub, right?
Yeah. Hi. No, but you gotta put your foot on the I'm paranoid. You need paper towel, babe? You all right?
No, I'm good.
I don't know where we get this country girl. She's good. I'm so glad that she's doing what she's doing. Because I would have needed all the help in the world. This is nice. This is really nice. I wouldn't have thought about having nothing this large. You know? Yeah. Mine would have been, I'm going to open it up for you.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Put the marigolds down there. We just planted my AMERLIFE garden bed, and I'm so excited. Let me show you what we got. Onions around the perimeters. We have marigolds throughout. We got basil, tomatoes. We got some lettuce and some spinach. We also have some peppers. We have some peppers, kale, and we have collard greens, along with some herbs. Everything you want in here. We got parsley here. So much stuff can fit in this one garden bed. And it's great for changing out for the seasons. All right, so our first episode of I'm Gonna Make My Family Garden is complete. She now has her AMERLIFE garden bed, and it's amazing. Fully stocked up and full of all of her goodies. We have so many goodies in here. So if you like videos like this, follow along for more, because I got about like 2 to 3 more family members to go. So follow along for more as we surprise my family with their own garden beds. I hope that this inspires you to start your own garden. So you guys, that is all we have for today, and I hope you have a little bit of time to get out and garden.